Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a YouTube video on Twitter, or now called X. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy. What you need is either YouTube over on the desktop version or just the app, and you also need to have an account over on Twitter or X. It can also be desktop or app, it will be completely the same. So in order to do this, first of all, head over to the video you want to share over on your Twitter or X. And basically, once you have found that video, basically just write to that thumbs up and thumbs down button. You will have this share button where you can click on. Once you've done that, the third option should be an X, and X is now Twitter, so that's the one you want to click, just like this. Basically, once you've done that, it will just automatically create a tweet for you. And once you've done that, simply click on post, just like this. And basically, once you've done that, you can now go and head over to your profile. And you can now see that you have shared a YouTube video on Twitter. And basically, that's all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.